Good evening, children. Once again, welcome to One Mark Solution. Now, we are dealing with 10th science. In that physics part, we are dealing. You know that two chapters are there. Out of that, two chapters means one is light reflection and refraction, the second one, human eye and colorful world. It's very interesting also. So, now we can go for case study, second part of light reflection and refraction. So please like, share, and subscribe. You will get something from here. Sure, I'm sure about it. So let us move on to the cases. So we can just read it out first of all. And you know how to do the case study, isn't it? They will be giving one paragraph. So you can just go through the paragraph and you will get something from here and read the questions and write the answers, correct option. It is all MCQ type only. Akash is studying in class 10. He thinks about various changes related to light in his surroundings after the completion of a chapter about light in his school. Actually, it's a very interesting chapter, isn't it? You just think about how can you see the objects? If the light is not there, can you see the objects? Isn't it? This wonderful world you can see that. The teacher taught him that light is a form of energy. It is also a form of energy. And one more thing I have to add, it is a form of energy. It is also an electromagnetic wave. It will come under an electromagnetic waves also. That is radiation, which involves the phenomenon of reflection, refraction, polarization. Not only this, interference, refraction, so many are there. But here, mainly you are studying the reflection, refraction, the scattering of light, everything you are studying. He also learned about the formation of the image, how the image is formed. When light rays actually meet, these results in formation of real image, and when they appear to meet, a virtual image is formed. If the rays are actually meeting, we'll call it as real image, and if it is appears to meet, we can say virtual image. Why? What do you mean by appears to meet? Actually, there is no image. We are just producing, and we will put a dotted lines for that appears to meet, and we will get a virtual image. All of you have seen virtual image. Recently, I have asked one of the student, "Have you seen virtual image?" "No, ma'am, I didn't see." "Why you didn't see? Are you just seeing the mirror daily, just to see your face?" "Yes, ma'am, I have seen it." "Then, which is that image? Is it real image?" "Yes, ma'am, it is real." "No, no, my dear, I told it's not. What is it? It's not real. It is only the virtual image." That's a good example we can tell to the students. Okay, virtual image. All of you have seen the virtual image, but we can't get it on the screen. Mirror is not a screen mirror. We can just see that, isn't it? But real image, we will get it on the screen. And real image is obtained on the concave from the concave mirror as well as the convex lens, that you know also. And in the concave mirror and the convex lens also, we are getting virtual image for one position. That position, I'm just informing you that between the pole and the focus, if you are placing, in the case of the mirror, you will get the virtual image. Similarly, if you are placing the optic center and the focus, you will get the virtual image. So real and virtual image, you should know the difference there. Now we will go for the questions based upon this. First question. Out of the following, which is the best reflector of the light? You can just go for it. Paper, wood, silver, cloth. You know the answer. Why? Because all these you are familiar with, isn't it? When the light is incident on paper, when the light is incident on wood, when the light is incident on the silver or cloth, which will be reflected back, best reflector, no doubt it is silver itself. So that is the answer, correct answer C. Now let us move on to the second question. How many images can be seen into two plane mirrors kept in front of each other? If you are going for this question, just take a mirror, two mirrors, one mirror in the front and one mirror at the back. How many images you can see? Or when you are going for beauty parlor or for cutting the hair, you are sitting in front of a mirror as well as one mirror will be there to see our back, isn't it? You just count images, how many images you can see there. Yes, number of images. One formula is also there, theta by 360 minus like that, but you don't want to study now this formula. You'll be studying in the plus 2 level. So here, what will be the answer? A number of images. I told that we can't count the images. So that images, we can say it infinite. I'm just recollecting one incident. That is in Madurai Meenakshi temple. You can see that when you are entering, full of mirrors are there. So when you are standing there and just see that a number of images are there. That is because of this. What is the answer here? The correct answer is infinite. Infinite images you can see if you are placing two mirrors parallel to each other. Now let us move on to the third question. Anything which gives out light rays is called, we can say, can you say real image? No. Light rays, they will give out the, how will you see the object? I told that when the light have to come from the object, that means light should incident on the object and it should reflect it and it reaches our eye. Then only we can see it. So anything which gives out light rays is called, we can say, object. Then next one, that is option C. Next one, we can say the image formed on a cinema screen and the image formed on our eyes, both are on the screen anyway, are examples of real and virtual, real and real, virtual and real, virtual and virtual. Which one is correct? Screen. Anyway, we are getting on the screen. So no doubt it will be real and real. So the option will be B. The correct option will be B. Now let us move on to the next one. Fifth question. Which of the following is not the phenomenon of light? You have studied so many phenomena of light. Out of these, which is not the phenomenon of light, we can say, that is it reflection? Is it refraction? Is it polarization or sublimation? No doubt you are studying reflection, refraction, polarization, scattering, so many phenomena. Out of these, you didn't heard that sublimation. Sublimation is entirely different and you are studying in chemistry classes, isn't it? So the answer is sublimation. And one more thing I want to say here, notice here it is, whenever you are reading the question, please read it. Which of the following is not? Here it is written not. If which of the following is there, the answer will be different. So whenever you are reading the question, read it carefully. Why? Because now it is MCQs. If you are doing one, if you are bubbling, now it is OMR, isn't it? You have to bubble it. If you are bubbling one, that only you will get the, what is it, mark there, isn't it? Can you do 4 or 5? No, you won't get it. So once if you're marked, that will be the correct answer. So thank you for watching, children. Thank you.